Turtle is making a pedicure metal art. The legs are done. Onto the body. Now draw some lines. You muscular body. Onto the head. Ha ha ha. So, you put your signature. Cool. Please follow or I'm coming to get you.